Hello friends, welcome in the new tutorial. Till now we have created this bar chart. Now I am going to teach you how you can create a pie chart. Let us increase this page size to this thing. Now we want to cut this thing at a space right now. Again cut this thing, Control X, and I am placing this. Now I am doing Alt HOI, Alt HOE for perfectly fit. And I am removing this first row. And I want to shift this to somewhat below. Now in this space, we are going, let us increase this width. Okay, and now in this part, what we are going to add pie chart. How you can add, so same thing you have to do. By selecting this much value, under this thing you have to go to 2D pie chart. Automatically it will add a chart. For attractive purpose, same thing we have to do. I request you to do it by yourself. If you have any query, then just see this video. Unless and until you practice it, you will not get anything off from this. So over here we want to plot chart title as pie. Let us change first the layout which we have selected earlier, right? So let us say over here I am going to type pie chart. Now what we want, that we want to use this best fit, right? And the legend will be my right side, so it will give some attractive value. Now I'm going to move this thing where our data exists, right? But under this series I am not able to get the data, right? So what we are going to use, just click this thing and this much value will be selected and go to format tab and apply, which is the color. Like for completed task it is green, so automatically it is converted. Now over here overdue task it is selecting as orange, but what we want as a red. Just take it as a red. Now over here work in progress we want to select as a orange, and for the closed task, over here it is a closed task, we want somewhat, let's say, blue color. And for under discussion, again we have to add some value over here so we can get the data for trial purpose. Let's say add 11, it will plot for us. And under discussion we want to provide, let's say, gray color, which we have applied. And again back to the normal condition, paste this thing. So our finally plot is prepared. But under this text option, label option, you can add many things like series name. I don't want to add series name. I want to apply category name. I also want to apply this value, but it is applying over here. So I want to apply this thing in my full series. So just select again by back, and under this label option you have to go to series name. I don't want to use series name. I want category name. I want value. How much value? See, completed task to this. But again I want to apply this completed task as a green. So apply this thing over here. There may be some error. By clicking right click and go to their font color plus as a green. So see, it is converted to green. Same way you have to do this for all the things. So finally we have fill whichever the color available to the each of the part, right? So hope you understand this thing. Right now for the attractive purpose, what I am going to apply some border. That border width will be somewhat high and border color will be black. See, now the result is more clear, right? And but I want to decrease this shape outline width, let's say reduce to this, and now it is okay to me. So finally we have created this pie chart. If you want to shift any of the data, you can select by selecting this thing. Right now it's okay. Under discussion there is no value is available. So over here what we are going, you can show percentage value. Okay, we have to select this whole thing. Under this you have to select this percentage. If you have only the data is available. Right now we don't have any data available, we have this pie chart. So let us leave this thing right now. This legend key you can show below to them. Separator, you can give the separator. Now we want as a space bar, you can remove this space bar. you can set as a line. So this is the way by which you can modify your pie chart. So again, if you want to apply some border or glow, you can apply. I'm just going to apply some, let's say over here we are going to apply this blue color border. Let us increase somewhat width. Then so hope you guys understand this pie chart. Request you to practice these other charts also. So how may you can able to get this thing? If you have any sort of query, again I am telling, then you can ask me anytime. I will surely help under the question answer session. See you soon. From the next lecture, we are going to create VBA, Visual Basic Form Creation and Email Shooting. So be with the course, enjoy learning. Drop your queries in Q&A question answer session.